Check. Check mic 1 2 Peace sound. Alright, magandang gabi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Beautiful Tuesday evening po sa atin lahat. How's your trade? How's your trading day? PSEi medyo neutral lang. We'll talk more about that in a bit. I just want to welcome you properly before we talk about anything else. We want to request po to share this video. Kaya share po habang hindi pa tayo nag-uusap. Please share this video to your friends, relatives, trading groups if you have any. Please po, hingi ko lang po sa inyo is share this video. Tulungan niyo po ako sa goal ko na marating and reach out to more Filipinos, especially yung mga nagsisimula sa stock market and investment journey nila sa money markets especially. We want to guide them properly kasi yun nga, sabi statistics say that 70% of the newbies fail, and we want to make a dent on that statistics, my friend. Kung hindi man sa PSEi and other money-making opportunities that we talk about here in stock market, like Izanagi, one of my main income right now is the automated trading kay Izanagi. So at least magkabayan natin sila, mapakita natin sa kanila through this program. So please share this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yan. Welcome to the Daily Grind kung saan if you're a newbie, this is the best program for you. We talk about making money in general. Karamihan po pinag-uusapan natin is into stock market. But I'm focused more on Forex and NFTs right now, which is very hot. Pero lahat po ng pwede pagkakitaan. If you bumped into an opportunity, let me know. I'll be the one to check it out for you. And then pag-usapan natin yan, right? So, welcome to the Daily Grind. Thank you so much sa mga nag-share. I'm seeing 3 shares already. Thank you so much. Hopefully, mas marami pang ma-share sa atin. Thank you so much. Hopefully, I've earned that from you guys. Let's check out PSEi. Ito po. PSEi is a little bit green for today. 0.62%. It's not really that significant. 44.38 points to be exact. Net foreign buying po tayo. Ito maganda. Almost 500 million po ang net foreign buying sa atin. But we are in between supports and resistances. Market is going sideways at the very least. We're not yet seeing really lower lows for this one. Meron tayong mga occasional reds, but overall nag-green pa rin sa market. So at the very least, tapos yung uptrend, the new trend is on a sideways, which is good, right? We want that kaysa sa mag-downtrend, di ba? So this is doing well for PSEi. Then again, we're gonna be testing all-time high level. No, not all-time high levels, but 52-week high levels. This is the highest we have been ever since the pandemic started, di ba? So we're near that levels, and I think we're gonna be testing it once again. So please, ingat lang muna. You don't have to be aggressive. We will want to make sure what the direction of the market is before we want to play our cards as much as possible. We want to play them right, di ba? Thank you so much sa mga shares. Uy, umakyat bigla yung shares. 17 shares. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, so punta muna ako sa mga comments really quick. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan, nasa YouTube. Alright, let me go change the music. Change up tayo ng music. Let's go to my hi-fi. Alright. Adjust ko lang muna yung audio. Medyo masyado malakas. Alright, lower it down to around 25%. Just let me know if medyo maingay pa. I'm gonna turn it down kasi hindi ko maririnig sa audio, sa headphones ko yung background music natin. But you guys are gonna be able to hear it. Let me know if masyado maingay na. I'll be turning it down if ever masyado maingay na. Alright, basag po ang mic natin. Alright, basag ang mic, masyado malakas siguro. Alright, how about now? I'm gonna lower it down even more. We are on the yellow. How about now? Okay na ba yung microphone natin? Thank you so much for letting me know. Benedict, okay na ba yung microphone ngayon? Masyado malapit. That's better if mas malapit, so I don't really have to shout. Is it better now or not? Let me know. Thanks so much, Benedict. Magandang gabi. Nano Joseph, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Nice to see you again. PHA, please, pwede ba bang bodegahin? Let me know. Uy, maganda yung mga position ni PHA, Maganda yung PHA positions ngayon. Sorry. I clicked on Binance because of that. Horizontal line tayo dito. PSO. Divergences. Okay. You don't really have to bodega this one. Why? Because PHA overall, medyo may kamahalan pa rin. Okay? But this is a good trade right here. You can trade this for short term. Buy some now. Especially pag nag-green yan, that will be your signal that the support is holding. And then hopefully it does go up. It already broke its downtrend once dito. So most probably tapos yung downtrend. Let's see if ever umakyat. Trades. This is a good trade right here. You don't have to bodega it kasi medyo may kamahalan. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Yung echo po malakas. Ito. Meron akong isang microphone. How about now? Ayan. So thank you so much. And hindi na siguro nag-e-echo. May na-activate akong isang microphone pa. I think that's from my webcam na na-activate. I think that's already okay. Si Tipay, Sabrina, Valerie, is it okay now? Let me know lang, ha? Thank you so much. Janier Diano, good evening. Tommy Escobedo, good PM, Sir Lloyd, all viewers. Magandang gabi sa inyo. URC and MM. Let's check out URC. Yan. Thank you so much for letting me know. URC is at support levels. At the very least, it's a very strong support. At ito, magandang you're asking me if ano magandang bodegahin ito. Sobrang lakas ng support nito for URC. Third quarter earnings is a plus. That's a good sign right there for URC. Ito, magandang bodegahin ito instead. Major support is right here at 121. We're now at 127. Pumupula pa naman siya, so abangan natin major supports niya. Tignan natin. Pag nag-green yan, that's a short-term support right there. Pwede nyo nang bilhin. If it hits major supports, you just buy more. Ito magandang bodegahin, URC. I'm gonna save this one right here para sa susunod na daanan natin, makikita ko saan ko tinol to buy. Right? So, nasa-save yung mga bilog ko na yan for URC. I'm calling URC bodega. Right? That's a good trade right there. Medyo humina lang ang sounds. Alright, medyo humina lang ang sounds. Alright, so alright, how about now? Yan, I'm hitting red lines already. I guess that should be okay. Yan, okay na. Alright, hindi ko monitor self call. Let me try to hear myself. Hey, sound check. That should be okay. Sa audio. Okay na ba? Is it what happened to all day below IPO price? We talked about this for before the IPO. I told you guys na market is not really that strong yet. It's not the best time to go IPO, but still, all day went for it. Love the balls. Pero yun na, hindi nagsustain yung growth. Bakit? Because there is not that much investors. There's not that much money coming into the market. Hindi yun nasusustain ng mga IPOers lang. Maraming bumili sa IPO. But the question is, marami bang iba pa na gustong bumili pa? Right? So, the IPO price was good. Maraming gustong bumili. Pag na-fulfill na yung desire na yon, yung demand na yon, the question is, marami pa bang gustong bumili? Diba? So, right now, it's showing na hindi. Because medyo bearish yung market. So, it happened. Stock market happened. that's okay. If as long as the company's doing well, it should do well, right? Hopefully in the future, the market will be able to carry it. Yun lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's not really it's not really a good time to go for IPOs. You can try to check it out, and then kung makapasok kayo, good. If umakyat, then good. Take profits. Don't fall in love with your stocks, and then cut loss if ever bumaba. All right, I remember nag-usap tayo ni Kapemang Arnel about IPO ng All Day and the fundamentals behind it. It's kind of expensive, but because it was Villar, we are gonna be buying the IPO. So overall, expensive. If ever bumaba sa IPO price niya, which we think is kind of overpriced, sell it. Right, diba? Cut loss lang. So that's what happened right there. It's still kind of expensive overall. Charles, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pure Gold Tech and PHR Poo, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Then, Pure Gold, E-Gold, check it out. And Pure Gold, support is right there. So, doon natin lininyahan itong support na ito. Let's see if ever mag-green. If ever mag-green, pwede na nating tignan natin. If ever mag-green, that will be a good test buy right there. And if ever it fails, you can cut loss. Let's wait for it at the major support right here. Tingnan lang muna natin saan siya pupulutin. But yeah, with the market though, I don't want you to go aggressive, especially kay Pure Gold. What you can do, since it's not a bullish market, you have the downtrend line right here. Hopefully, you already know how to plot your downtrend line. Just connect the tops right there. That's your downtrend line. The best entry dito. The best entry will be a breakout from that downtrend line. Let's see if ever mag-breakout siya. For those na don't want to be aggressive, you wait for that secondary na signal before you want to get in Pure Gold. Tech naman, si Tech, mukhang maganda na yung position ni Tech. Tech. Alright, somehow, so far, so good. We're seeing divergences already kay Tech. Overall is, nagda-downtrend pa. MA20 na lang ito. If this breaks MA20, then that will be a good signal like this one right here. That is when you try to enter it. Or kung gumawa ng magandang support si Tech. That should be good for Tech. Right now, it's still on a downtrend. I still can't recommend it even for aggressive ones. PHR. Audio is very good now from Dano Joseph. Thank you so much. Good evening, sir. Insights naman po halted kanina. Alright. Ito si PHR, maganda. I already called PHR for a buy right here. The support is still holding, so it's still a buy for me. I still recommend PHR. It already broke its downtrend right here, ladies and gentlemen. So that's a buy right there. Then tignan lang natin kung umarangkada, cut loss lang if ever it drops down for PHR. That's a buy right there, right? Kinol ko na yan. May bilog na tayo dyan noon. That's a buy already. Next for PHR, Sweetie Pie, what happened to All Day? We answered that already. Renato Dolor, GMA 7, kind of expensive for me, pero with the election coming up, mukhang malaki ang kita ng GMA 7. Overall downtrend, signal natin will be this breakout right here. Breakoutin muna natin from the downtrend before you wanna buy. Ichiro de la Serna. Alright, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Suggest po na pwedeng bodegahin. Alright, nadaanan natin kanina. Alright, just go along the video and then makikita nyo ano yung i-call ko for ano. Hindi ko kasi linilista. Ang ginagawa ko lang is I just mark it in my chart and then save it out para makita ko saan yung mga kinol ko for bodega. GMA 7, yep, okay na. Alright, very good. Alkisto, good evening. Sweetie Pie, how about APL, sir? Let's check out APL. Alright, APL, breakout. That's our call right there. Kaya may bilog dyan. Pa-breakoutin muna natin kung mag-breakout man or kung bumalik sa support man kung hindi mag-breakout. Support will be your entry point for APL, right? So, let it break out lang muna. Mukhang mag-breakout to. Volume spikes right there. So, hopefully it does break out. Or, yun nga, if bumalik support, yun yung entries natin. May nag-message sa akin kanina, Sir Lloyd, pwede ka bang gumawa ng video na mga, what do you call this? Income streams mo ngayon. Ano yung mga income streams? I try to keep it private as much as possible. But, yung pinaka-top ko na earning ngayon is this one right here, Izanagi. I have been very transparent with you guys about this before. Izanagi, already 276% yung trading natin dito. And best of all, this is automated trading. So this is what I answered him. I'm not really comfortable with showing what my income streams are, but I can show you the best ones that I'm very comfortable sharing with everyone. Ito. Kasi ayoko sa tax. Eto, hindi ko natatax dito. Alright, so I'll still share this to you guys. Alright, so majority of my income is online. So medyo I don't call it as an advantage. Medyo it's kind of sketchy, pero overall kasi pag nagte-trade ka sa international market, you're already taxed. So you're paying your dues already actually. Yung nga lang, problema, hindi sa Pilipinas na pupunta yung tax. So that's the downside. But then again, tax is tax, even if hindi pupunta sa bayan natin. Yeah. This is my major income, 276.86%. Izanagi, right? With the last spike natin dito, almost 20% spike in just 1 month. So, sobrang ganda ng growth and slowly going up again already for December. Hopefully, we can stop at least 280% for December. I told you guys, kahit mag 260, I'm gonna be very happy with this performance for this year already. Pero, may grasya pa dumating, 276%. 280 to close it out, that will be very, very good for Izanagi. But yeah, Izanagi is bot trading. This is automated trading. So, since January 18 po yan. This is verified account, verified records, mind you. So, meaning, totoo yung nakikita nyo dito. I'm not trading this manually anymore. It's Izanagi, the bot, is trading this. So, everything I earned from January to December is now passive income. Majority ng kita ko is passive income. And it's doing well. Imagine, kung linagay ko dito, 100K lang. That would have been earnings ko is 300K times 200%. That's times 300%. 100% is times 2. 100 is times 3. 300% is times 4. Or 300K kung 100K lang ang linagay ko dito. Tip, mas malaki. Right? Kung kaya nyo, kung gusto nyo, if you're already confident with Izanagi, yeah, add some already. Right? Kung kaya lang ng risk ninyo, okay? But yeah, and best of all, passive income. Wala akong ginagawa, diba? More about Izanagi. If you want to learn more about Izanagi, how it does money for me, andyan sa video description, may video about Izanagi to learn more about it. Andyan yung informative video dyan. And if you already know what Izanagi is, meron pong registration link dyan. Hopefully, magsimula na kayo. XM, our isa sa mga partners natin for Izanagi, si XM, has a promo, 50% po. Should you open a micro account, 50%, meaning hanggang $500 ang ibibigay nila. Meaning, kalahati ng ilalagay naman na pera, bibigyan nila for free. Right? Let's say, for example, you put in $1,000, bibigyan ka nila ng $500, $100, $50, bibigay nila. So, and up to $500 po ang bibigay nila. So, if you put in $1,000 you get 25K buying power additional. That's a lot of money to be given to you. Kaya yung promo, Izanagi, check it out, video description. Okay? Best of all, right? Maganda na to. Best of all, this is for free. Right? Linibre na namin yan. Serbisyo publiko namin yan sa inyo. Kind of tasking already. I'll give you guys a heads up, alright? Baka next year, lalagyan na namin ng kaunting payment si Izanagi. Right? So we haven't decided of the price yet, pero medyo nakita nyo naman yung ginagawa namin. It's not just the VPS. Meron pang admins dito, support, etc. Maintenance ng bot. So, medyo it's really tasking already for us. Dumadami na tayo kay Izanagi. Sobrang dami. Under me lang alone, 200 na nasa Izanagi. So, imagine that. Every one of those people na nasa Izanagi receives update. So, it is kind of hard already. So, baka kuha na kami ng staff talaga na masasweldohan and we need funds pang sweldo dyan. So baka next year may bayad na si Izanagi. So while it's free, go ahead, register kayo. Sayang naman. Okay? Bumalik na po yung promo na XM. 50% lang. Di tulad ng dati na 100%. Right? 100% is the best promo. But this 50% is only good for yung new account, new clients lang or bagong account na gagawin ninyo. Okay? Old accounts, hindi siya kasali dito. Yung 100% dati, sinama yung mga old accounts. Kung nagdagdag kayo, you still get the bonus. But ito, yung mga new accounts lang. Janer Dianyo. So much about Izanagi and it's for free. Technically, binibigay namin sa inyo yung libreng pera na yan dyan. All you need to do is create the account. Sa mga nasa Izanagi na dyan, alright, marami tayong new viewers this evening. Please share, if okay lang sa inyo, please share how much your earnings is already kay Izanagi and how long have you been into Izanagi. Let's let them know that you are into this also. And also, hindi lang ito. Meron akong ginawa na account na, what do you call this? Pinpublic ko sa inyo, right? Linagyan ko ng $500. This one is already 64%. Right? 64% po yan. Pero this account started July, August, September, October, November, January. 5 months, 64%. Ay, basi ka pa. Diba? It sounds too good to be true, but yeah, these check marks will tell you that these are verified records, ladies and gentlemen. Right? Tanin ko nga yung isa kong account. Ito yung pinpublic ko na pinakita ko sa inyo kung what if you put in $500 na account at a 25% na what do you call this? At a 25% na risk, right? Hopefully this is updated. Hindi siya updated. October yung last update. Ito, papatrabaho ko pa to. Should be up 30% already, right? Let me use my phone instead. Power. And then share it on my screen. Power. So kung sinabayan niyo ako sa account na ito, open MP4, goes to Power, mirror. One moment. Please now minimize girlfriend of Mickey Mouse. Let's go to MetaTrader 4. So, let me go to my portfolio. Yan, $686 dollars na pong kita natin. Here, the one that you see at the top right here. Yan, 686. This account started with $500. May $250 po tayo dito na buffer, right? And balance is now 686. This balance started at $500. So now it's 686. So, lagay natin sa $500, 10% is $50, diba? So, it has earned 186. That's more than 30% already ng gains. And this account started July also. So, July din ito. At 25% na settings. Imagine that, 30%, 25% settings. Let me just close that out. Congratulations sa mga may Izanagi dyan. I just really want to invite everyone. Dito ko lang kasi talagang market si Izanagi. Izanagi is for free, so wala kaming budget really to market it out to everyone kasi libre na nga lang. Okay sana kung may bayad sa Izanagi, we can market it out. Dito ko lang minamarket yan. So hopefully mag-start kayo, or if not, if you're already in and you're earning, right, a good way to thank us is share this, right? Share nyo po sa friends, relatives, everyone. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Sir, good time to buy BTC for long term. Thank you. Overall, it is dipping, right? So, somehow, 41 is a good support right here. Diyan siya nag-massive bounce. Now, we're still seeing lower highs and lower lows. So, overall, downtrend pa rin siya. I want to see a good support at the very least na short term lang. Maybe a box right here. Support na yan. That's your best entry point. Pwede nyo gawin dito is bodega. May mga bilog ako dito. That's when I called it a buy. I called it a buy again dito. Kaya may bilog dyan. Around this level, 40,000, if it reaches there, that's gonna be a very good buy for long term for BTC. Not saying na 40,000 aakyat yan. What you should do with large cap coins like Bitcoin is bodega. Buy the dips. And this is dipping right now, so it's showing opportunities already. So if you wanted to buy it here, why not try to buy it here, diba? So yeah, 40,000, that's gonna be a good entry point. Audio's very good. How about APL, Sweetie Pie? Let's check out APL. Na-check na ba natin to? Not yet. Yeah, na-check na natin to. Janer is asking about Double Dragon EH. Still on a downtrend. There is good signals right here for a support. Technically, short-term trade, pwede yan. Overall, is on a downtrend. I can't recommend it aggressively. Use your MA20. Pag nag-breakout din ng MA20, pwedeng ganun. That will be our signal. Maybe wait for pullback or bounce because that is a signal na tapos na yung initial na original na trend niya. Maybe magsa-sideways or maybe mag-uptrend na. Andrew Dolby, good evening, Sir Lloyd. For you, sir, good time to buy BTC long term. We covered that question already. Piolo Cortez, bumalik ng promo ni XM. Ano po kaya top 2 na magandang pang long term, Sir Lloyd? Salamat. Andrew Dolby, top 2 na magandang pang long term. I am risking my long term. Malaki ang exposure ko ngayon dito. Also in BDO. So, meron akong telco, meron akong bank. Sa real estate naman, I am with SMPH. Those are the 3 top na masasabi ko right now. JFC, I'm still also long-term kay JFC. Pero ang ginagawa kay JFC is tuwing nagtatopish siya, I sell some. And then, pinaantay ko naman bumagsak naman si JFC. And I buy again. Because I think JFC is still gonna be very big in the future. Still has a very good potential for it to grow. So I'm also long-term kay JFC. Lang, mayang gabi, diya, kaninyo. Right, Lang is one of our scholars po sa Axie Infinity partnerships natin, tsaka sa Thetan Arena. Right, so we just had our year-end party yesterday, courtesy of us, but it won't be possible without our partnerships, without our sponsors. So thank you so much for making it happen. Napasaya natin yung mga scholars natin. Everything is not possible without you. So thank you so much for sharing your blessings. At the same time, kumikita naman tayo, di ba? Piolo Cortez, outlook po, coach, Nasdaq and S&P. Medyo topish sila ngayon. So, not time to go aggressive with Nasdaq. Tuwing the dips na lang, I did tell you guys na nagdi-dip na si Nasdaq noon. Time to buy the good stocks already. And we were right. Apple, sila Makiat, sila Microsoft. So right now, they're topish already. Not the time to go aggressive on them. Marky Loroscas, Sir Lloyd, okay ba mag-average DD and Ani for now? Si DD kasi, ang laki ng scare kay DD pa rin. Right? Third quarter earnings not good. Plus pa yung the exodus of the Pogo companies. So that's not good for DD. So I can't recommend DD just yet. Really sorry. Pero si Ani, hopefully si Ani ma-reverse niya yung itong last earnings na second quarter. What is big negative, right? So hopefully ma-reverse nila. Nag-break na ng MA20 si Ani. So that's looking good. Sideways signal for Ani. Ani is a good company, by the way. So yeah, I would say. Pero not for selling tayo kaya Ani. It's not really strong right now. There's a support right here. Ani, I would say, okay, ito si Ani. Mas maganda ilong term. I forgot your name again. Thank you for the stars once again. Nagpadala kayo ng 50 stars last night. Was that May? But yeah, thank you so much. Pasensya na. Thank you for the stars. Hindi ako numingi ng stars, but if you give out stars to me, thank you so much. Pwede ko yung bigay na pamasko kay Ludito and my partner. Thank you so much. TTPI, how about Converge? Sir, may kamahalan si Converge for me, so I cannot recommend Converge as of the moment. Does have the support. Overall, still very expensive for me. Support for Converge is right here. Tingnan natin if ever bumalik sa support. That's gonna be a good buy, especially na medyo may kamahalan si Converge ngayon. Norman, Magat, M-REIT dito, SMPH coach, please. Let's check it out. M-REIT, kamahalan din to. So, stay away from it. M-REIT dito. Dito naman, nagpo-pull back. So, support is right here. There's a resistance right there. So, supporting entries natin. Abangan natin sa support ulit. Take profits na nga yung iba dyan di ba? Jen. I was thinking May, June. Andun yun eh. So, that's why I said May kasi hindi naman pwedeng June. So, Jen pala. Thank you so much, Jen, for the stars. Right. Dito, SMPH right now. Kumustahin ko nga sa SMPH? Right. So, our call for SMPH is if mag-breakout, that's gonna be your entry point. Kaso nga lang hindi nag-sustain. So, the call for SMPH was right here. Yun yung pinakamaganda. That's why I love bottom picking. Ang ganda ng position natin dito. Dito, medyo risky na. There's a major resistance right here. Hindi, hirap siya. So, at the short term, I don't know if you can trade this for short term, man. I can't call this for short term, really. As of the moment, it's not my kind of trading kasi there's a strong resistance right here. Napakalapit natin sa resistance. I would say it's not worth the risk right now to trade SMPH. PayPal po ba, sir? PYPL. Right, let's check out PayPal. Oh, PayPal. Positive signs right there, man. So, Yeah, susunod na green for PayPal. Divergences already. That will be very good. Pag nag-green si PayPal, buy it. Right. Jen, again, once again, thank you so much for the stars. Edmar Pasco, magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. I'm gonna go to YouTube for the meantime, okay? Balikan ko kayo sa Facebook. Good evening, YouTube! Magandang gabi sa 23,000 viewers natin. Small Kids Blanco, magandang gabi. Sir Lloyd, magandang gabi. M16 TV, good evening. All day po at Monday. All day downtrend, so stay away from it po muna. And Monday. Okay na ba sa Monday? Right, so pula na paakyat. Cliche yan. Initial downtrend Monday, at least nag-break siya ng downtrend line niya. For me, Monday is expensive. So, medyo mahirap to. Thank you so much for the stars once again. Watching while playing. Axis, Paul, Mudlong. Alright, good friend of mine right here sa Manila. Magandang gabi, man. Pula. Si Monde. Support. Pag bumalik to support, that will be the best entry for Monde. Small Kids Blanco, APL, we covered that already. MWC, let's check out MWC. Right, MWC, resistances is right here. Pag mag-breakout lang, short-term trade tayo for MWC. Antayin lang muna natin yan. Timeless Wisdom, malakas po, Echo. Okay na po, yan. Naayos na natin yan. Shy Barondia. Hi, sir. Good evening po. Pa-check din po ng Meg and DMC. Let's check it out. Mega World. Meg. One downtrend to no right signals for Meg just yet. DMC. DMCI na natin. DMCI holdings. Resistances is right. Strong resistance right here. Let it break out. Ang call natin dito as supports right here. Mag-break siya ng downtrend line niya. At sa signal na mukhang tapos na yung short-term downtrend niya. Right now, going sideways, breakout or supports for DMC. Batong Fuentes, good PM, sir. Picor po. Picor. Yung Batong dito sa Cebu is string beans. Parang cute na nickname na yun, I hope it's a nickname. Pareha. Anyways, mukhang patapos na ang downtrend ni Picor. We're seeing higher highs right here. So, at the very least, kung mag-support ulit si Picor, since pula naman siya, pag nag-green yan, if you wanna trade this for short term, I would say okay. Since we're at support levels already, mukhang okay na to si Picor. Maganda na yung position. Naneth, kumusta? Seb, MBT, and SMPH, sell na ba or good to buy ba po? Seb, laki na nakita mo kay Seb noon. Pero sayang ha. At yung sinabi ko, pag nag-break na may 20, dapat sinesell nyo na. So, it would have been a sell already right here. Pero umakyat ka agad si Seb. I think Seb has a good future. Why? Because ang ganda ng mga COVID news natin, di ba? I just don't wanna jinx it. Pero yesterday, I saw news na walang bagong admission for new COVID cases. So that's good. Yeah? And somehow, our vaccination drive sa country is doing well. Ang dami pa rin Pilipino na anti-vaxxers ayaw magpa-vaccine. Nonetheless, the effect of the vaccine is evident, right? Regardless of ano yung belief mo, magpapa-vaccine ka or hindi. But marami po nagpa-vaccine and the result is evident, right? So, yun lang masasabi ko. I will look at the results. The result is good. The economy is starting to become aggressive once again. So, yeah. With that, going back to the topic, si Seb, mukhang lalakas na ang travel because of that, and Seb should do good, right? It's dipping right now. That's a good opportunity. Kung mag-dip pa, you just buy more. I would say this, may iakyat pa to na net. With MBT resistances, sell, right? Sell tayo kay MBT, especially for kung hindi naman maglo-long term. SMPH, we're done with SMPH. I would say, balikan ko as SMPH. Ang lapit niya sa resistance. So, lakas na resistance na SMPH. Kung dito pa lang tayo sa baba na net, I would say buy. Dito, I can't say buy more dito at this level. Alam Fuentes, tama sir, sting beans good. Bisaya ka pa rin. Bisaya ka pala. Thanks again. You're welcome, man. Arnold Francia, good evening, sir. AEV and Wilcon, please. AEV. Alright. Got AEV. Galing. Alright, so congratulations sa mga may AEV dyan. We're reaching very expensive levels for AEV. Bearish signals right there. Hopefully yung trend niya mag-hold. So, but this is not the entry point. You're entering at the top. Pull back and bounce if you want to test out the trend. Use MA20 as your support right here for AEV. Hopefully, bigyan kayo niyan. If hindi, then it's okay. Iwan na kayo nito. Up your trade. Okay? So, ingat lang. Wilcon. Oh, the misery. Sir Lloyd, how to participate sa NFT? Send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. I can give you what do you call this? I can give you the proposal. Medyo informal lang. Message ko lang naman sa inyo. For it. Right? Plug po, sir. Okay na kayo. Another account for Izanagi with higher risk to avail 50% and use Axie profits para po sa VPS. Pwede, Paul Emitera. Wilcon, that's a good trend right there, ladies and gentlemen. MA20 next bounce for Wilcon should be your buy short-term trades right there. Good find for Arnold Matthew. Good find, man. Good find. Ito sa Edmar BSC. Balik na tayo sa Facebook. We read all the comments sa YouTube. I don't know how you can share my video kung nanonood kayo sa YouTube, but if you can, please share this video. Oh, thank you so much, Edmar. BSC, downtrend, breakout is going to be your entry point for BSC. Sir, good evening. This is from Mark Salinas. Salinas. Hey, Mark, sir, good evening. Okay na po ba mag-deposit si Toro gamit BDO savings account? I'm not sure if BDO allows that. Para sa akin, pinakamadali na account right now is UCPB. If ever you want to go sa money markets international, UCPB po ang gamitin ninyo, walang sakit sa ulo. Right? So, just a piece of advice, hindi ako binabayaran ni UCPB. Baka naman. UCPB, baka. Diba? Pero yeah, if you wanna go to crypto, international, blah, 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 markets, UCPB is the way to go. So, gawa kayo ng online account na UCPB. Right? You can enroll online, go to UCPB bank, and then show them your ID, and your account should be good already. Yeah. Speaking of crypto, kamusta na kaya? Sabi naman ng BDO na babalik nila yung pera sa mga affected na mga users. Hopefully, hindi kayo isa sa mga victims at sa ulo nun. Pero, yeah, that's where I am bearish kay crypto. Right? Nagagamit kasi si crypto para sa mga kalokohan. Because it's decentralized, hindi siya na-trace. So, hackers just convert the funds to crypto and wala yung pera nyo. Right? So, that's the downside of crypto. But, that's a different talk, ladies and gentlemen. Pero yeah. Anyways, Sam Moranos, Raymond, hello. Sir, thoughts on long-term kay Dito po? I'm still long-term for Dito. Right? Jen is asking about Macro Asia. Ay, tapos na to kay Macro Asia. Paul Madlong, and thank you for the 50 stars, man. Thank you so much. Paul Mirang, thank you for the notify. Joel Opendo, Sir Lloyd, how to participate in NFT? Send me a message. All day is on a downtrend. This is for Jesse Nudas. Yes. Paul Mentera, plug po, sir. Okay na po ba okay kaya po it's always okay to open an account kay Izanagi. Especially ganitong gagawin ninyo. 50% avail ng 50% po and use Axie profits for the VPS. Yes, definitely. Right. Galing yan. Diba? You're letting your investments fund your other investments. That's a good practice, man. That's what I do, technically. Right? Yung investments ko, ang kita, yun yung pinang-roll ko. So, at the very least, bottom line of it, I am risk-free. Yung pinaka-original investment ko lang ang linagay ko sa plug, downtrend pa rin, pare. So, stay away from it for now. When it broke MA20, yun yung best friend natin, di ba? Pag nag-break yan, nag-change yung trend. Went on a downtrend, abangan lang muna natin ulit. Yan ang support dito. So, alam nyo saan abangan si plug. Nano Joseph, IDC, please. IDC. Come on, man. Axie Outlook, sir, from Piolo Cortez. Unahin natin doon sa IDC. IDC. MA20. Tingnan natin kung mag-green.
saka nyo subukan ang trend na ito ni IDC kung okay ba yung trend niya. If it does not, then stay away from it. There's a good support right here. Abangan natin dyan. So this is a very good question. Piolo Cortez is asking about Axie outlook. Meron pang mga future na plan si Axie, and that will add up to the SLP burning. It's not happening right now, and that's the reason why you're seeing the big drop kay SLP. So below 2 pesos na si SLP, so sobrang liit ng kitaan. But it's still okay. Antayin lang natin yung changes, yung pinaka home run kit nila, yung land and battle 2.0. If SLP goes up from that point on, that should be okay. And this is a good time to check it out, diba? Kasi mababa yung presyo. Right? So if ever baka late na kasi pag pumasok kayo doon pa, diba? So if you're planning to get in Axie Infinity, right now it's very cheap. You can get a good team at 40,000 pesos, 35, 40 if marunong lang kayo maghanap. You can always start with that price already. That's okay. That's already a very cheap price compared to noon. It is the cheap. Today we're at the cheapest levels right now. Kevin Cadaves, any sentiments all day po? Downtrend. That's all I can say. It's on a downtrend. Doesn't really matter if ever mura siya or hindi. Fundamentally, if it's on a downtrend and the market is toppish, I will stay away from it. Ganun lang. Anong meaning ng UCPB Bank, sir, yung ginagamit mo sa eToro po? Union, not UCPB, Union Bank pala. Not UCPB. Sorry about that. It's Union Bank. Correct me. Union Bank. Not UCPB. Union Bank po ang ibig ko sabihin. Union Bank. Thank you so much, Coach. Sabi ni Piolo Cortez. Alright, that's good to know. Union Bank po, not UCPB. My bad. Mali yung babig. Alright, so yun, good evening. Arnold Matthew. Nabasa natin to. Able to read all the comments. Alright, that's good to know. Don't forget, Fridays. Crypto Friday po tayo. So, abangan nyo po more if you're focused on crypto, if you're interested in crypto. Our Friday programs is the best program for you. So, abangan nyo po yun with Kapayamang Boards. Right? So, check it out. Anyways, should be good. Again, reminders lang Izanagi and XM. May 50% na promo sa XM. Sayang din naman po yun. So, check it out. Izanagi. Let me just go back to Izanagi na book natin. Right, Izanagi, ladies and gentlemen, we're already up almost 280%. But mind you, this is for free. This is spot trading, so everything is passive income right now. Dito kay Izanagi. So, sana subukan ninyo. Right? I already tested it for you guys. We poured so much time in it. We invested even for the data, for the backtesting. Backtesting meaning, ang ginawa po namin dyan is we bought the data of every minute from the previous years. And then we test our program yung trading system natin kung nagra-run na ito 13 years ago, 13 years ago, kung nagra-run na ito, ano resulta niya, and ang ganda ng yield. Kung 5 years ago, dumaan pa through the pandemic, ang ganda pa rin ng yield. You know, watch a video for that. That's how you know if a bot is good. Right? Matagal na po ang algorithm na mga programs, right? And the way you know if it's good is back testing data. Gawin nila po ang live testing, ang back testing data. Right? Sana magawa nila yun. Ginawa namin live. Right? So, makikita niyo po dyan sa video description. It is doing well. That's the reason why I'm confident with it. Okay? And this is real money right in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. And verified po itong records nito. This is for free. Yung mga bots dyan, may bayad. Libre. And maybe next year, baka next year may bayad na to. But for now, kaya pa namin libre. Kaya pa namin na mano-mano na sumagot sa inyo for the application, etc. Pero medyo tasking na siya. But then nonetheless, it is public service right here sa Izanagi. So hopefully, you take advantage of it. Please share this to your friends, relatives, and mga trading groups ninyo. Share your results, man. Right? Thank you so much. Paano nga pala ang payment ni Izanagi, sir? Right, so Izanagi, meron siyang monthly payment, pero hindi po siya for Izanagi. It's for the VPS. Technically, yung bot kasi magra-run sa isang computer. Right? But it will not run on your computer. Ganun na naman babayaran nyo sa kuryente every month kung magra-run yung computer niyo 24/5 for the bot to run in it. Right? Ganun rin babayaran nyo. So, let's just pay the VPS doon magra-run ang program. Yun lang yung babayaran natin. Kasi umaandar yun sa server na yun. Diba? So, just 500 pesos a month. The payment is andyan sa registration form yung instructions ng payment for the VPS. Ana Joseph, 45% dividends IDC. Is it capital or no? Number of shares po, Sir Lloyd. Number of shares po, tingnan nga natin anong linabas nila. IDC. This is stock dividend. So, stocks po yung ibibigay nila sa'yo. Okay? It's not money dividend. Stock dividends po yan. Paano pala payment sa Izanagi, sir? Deducted ba sa funds? No, hindi po. It's gonna be a hassle. Kasi, wala po kaming access. Right? Wala po kaming access sa at the very least fund withdrawal sa account niyo. Your account is safe through XM, right? Sa XM kasi, they only allow withdrawals to the same bank account na pangalan ng account holder. Let's say for example, your account is Ruben Refuerzo on XM. Sa XM says the trade yan. If you withdraw funds, XM will ask you anong bank namin i-deposit. Dapat yung bangko kaparehas ng pangalan mo. Right? That's the only way na makukuhanan ng yung pera ninyo. And because of that, hindi kami pwede mag-withdraw dyan. Separate entity po yung VPS kasi from XM. So, hindi namin pwede magalaw yung pera na nasa loob ng Izanagi ninyo. So, it's a separate payment. Pasensya na, it's a medyo hassle, but sa setup lang yan. Umpisa lang yan mahirap. But once it is running, tell you, it's gonna be very good for you. Right? So, pasensya na for that. Hindi po madededuct ng funds ninyo yan. Sa inyo yan. Kasi hindi po namin pwedeng maggalaw. There is no way for us to, to touch the money inside your trading account. So, you're safe that way with the bot trading. Sino po ba mga contact about Izanagi? Check out the video. Check out the registration link. Andun po lahat ng instructions. Let me get it for you. Really quick. So, ganito po makikita ninyo. Lagay ko na rin sa comments. Okay. So, if you click on, let me just share my screen. If you click on that registration right there, and so, Gcash, dyan po ipadala. Dyan, penetrante po ang contact ninyo. Instructions for the VPS are gonna be here also. Already, ito, kung wala pa kayong XM account, ito susundin ninyo. Second bar dito, what if I already have an XM account? Gagawa kayo ng sub-account sa main account ninyo. After that, dito kayo, Gcash deposit, shared VPS PH, how to, blah, 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 full name, MT4, blah, blah, capitals ninyo, and dyan. So, nasa Telegram na you will be getting in touch. If unable to join Telegram, please scan this image. And so, sa loob ng, dito nyo po ilalagay ang Gcash deposit screenshot, add file lang. Makita nyo po dyan. So, through Telegram, we are gonna be once you join the Telegram, you're gonna be contacted by one of our admins. So, just click on the link. Lahat ng instructions din dyan po. So, Red, paano po mag-purchase ng GTH Hero sa Thetan Arena? Go to thetanarena.com right? Login nyo po yung account nyo dito. Then go to marketplace lang. So, dito kayo pwede bumili ng mga heroes. Okay? So, dyan po. Anyways, that's it for me this evening. Tignan ko lang ulit ang YouTube kung may questions pa. It's 8:50, so tapos na tayo. Alright, we're good to go. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Again, market is kind of toppish, so wag masyadong aggressive, wag maghahabol na nasa taas. Always look for pullbacks. Pag mataas na yung stocks ninyo, huwag kayong mag-investor mode, position mode, just short-term trades. And this time, kung usually ang budget niyo sa isang trade is 30,000 pesos, bawasan nyo lang muna. Less aggressive this time pag ganitong market. Because part din ng skills na dapat nyo matutunan when it comes to trading in the money markets is the status of the market. You have to know when to be aggressive and when to stay passive. It's still, if you're not doing anything in the market because toppish the market, that's still a trading strategy. So hopefully, sundin nyo po yan. Right? That's it for me this evening. Once again, see you tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.